Hi, fourth graders, it's Miss Wilson. Today you'll see two different stories. You can choose which one you would like to read. This one is called A Girl Like You. There are billions and billions and billions of people in the world, but you are the only you there is, and the world needs a girl like you. The world needs a girl to be strong and caring, to be brave and bold. Maybe your brave is running for student council. Maybe your bold is standing up for yourself. Brave girl, try new things. Find your passions, find your talents. Work hard at hard things. Mistakes are essential to success, so stick with it. Whether it's fixing something that's broken, lifting weights, ice skating, or studying the moon and stars. Put your mind and heart into your dreams and make them happen. Sometimes you will fall. When you do, pick yourself up and try again. Each time you'll become tougher and stronger. Bold girl, speak up. It's okay to disagree with people. Our differences teach us about one another. It doesn't matter how loud or quiet, tall or small, young or old you are. Your thoughts and opinions matter. Be clear about how you feel. Choose kind friends. Friends who let you be you. Be a kind friend too. Take turns. Share. Sometimes you'll fight. That's okay. Do say sorry when you're wrong or hurtful. But don't make a habit of saying sorry for no reason. When a friend is hurting, ask what they need. You might give advice. You might just listen. Sometimes they'll simply need you by their side. When a friend is proud or excited, celebrate with them. Thoughtful girl, have empathy. Friendships are like gardens. Tend them well and watch them grow. Smart girl, take care of your heart. You may feel bored or lonely or sad. Read a good book. Volunteer to help. Get up early and watch the sunrise. Write a story. Write your story. And if your feelings get too big, reach out, ask for help. Talk to someone who loves you. Embrace and care for the body you are in. Your unique traits are what make you especially beautiful, and especially you. What matters most is the beauty your actions and words bring to the world. People will remember these, and you should too. Radiant girl, stand tall. Wear what feels right. Silly socks or panda ears, sparkly shoes or polka dot pants. A peace sign, a flag, a flower, a rainbow. Wear your hair up or wear your hair down, pigtails or ponytails, all the way out, covered, or all the way gone. Your clothes and hair help you express yourself, so whatever you wear it for you. Magnificent girl, be proud. Your smile can light up a room. Take pride in being the one and only you, unlike anyone else ever before. And remember, the world needs a girl, a caring and strong girl, a bold and brave girl, an unstoppable girl, a girl like you.